Hello, my name is Satish Alvarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today, I would like to explain about different types of strokers. Now, in the diagram, we have different types of strokers used in power plants. Basically, strokers are classified into two types. One is overfeed stroker, second one is underfeed stroker. And again, overfeed strokers subdivided into two parts: traveling rate stroker, spreader stroker. In underfeed stroker also divided into two types: single retard stroker and multi-retard stroker. In traveling grade stroker, again divided into two types: chain grade stroker, bar grade stroker. These are the different types of strokers used in power plant. Now we will discuss about what is overfeed strokers and what is underfeed strokers. Overfeed strokers. Overfeed strokers, the primary air supplied from the bottom cools the ash until it rests on a plane immediately adjacent to the grate. In the overfeed stroker, with the help of forced draught fan, slightly pressurize the atmospheric air before enters on the bottom of the grate. Under the bottom of the grate, the fuel bed receives fresh coal on top surface. The air gets heated up. It follows through the grate openings, whereas the grate gets cooled. The warm air gets additional heat energy by the further passing through a layer of hot gases. This is the principle of overfeed stroker diagram. In overfeed strokers, we have different types. Those are traveling rate stroker and spreader stroker. In traveling rate strokers, again divided into two types. Let us discuss about briefly. This is the traveling rate stroker. In this stroker, the traveling stroker may be chain grade type or bar grade type. These two difference only in the details of grate construction. The grate surface of chain grade stroker is made of series of cast iron links connected by pins to form an endless chain. For suppose grade drive type bar type chains stroker is made up of series of cast iron sections mounted on the carrier bars. This is the main difference between chain type and bar section type traveling rate stroker. Chain grade stroker consists of an endless chain which forms a support for fuel bed. The chain travels over two sprockets wheels, one at the front and other end is rear of furnace as shown in figure. The front sprocket is connected to a variable speed drive mechanism and the chain travels over the speed range is 15 centimeters per minute to 50 centimeters per minute. And advantage of chain grade stroker is simple in construction, low initial cost, self-cleaning stroker. The rate of heat releases is also very high. And now disadvantages are it cannot be used for high capacity boilers. Temperature of preheated air limit is 180 degrees centigrade and loss of coal in the form of fine particles. These are the disadvantages in chain gate stroker. And now come to the another stroker is spreader stroker. Spreader stroker is a overfit type stroker. The coal burns on the stroker remains partially in suspension and partial on the grate. The arrangement of the stroker is it consists of variable feeding device and mechanism for throwing the coal uniformly on the grate. And the coal size should be between 6 centimeters to 36 centimeters. The spreader stroker is mostly used for steam capacity of 9.5 to 50 kg per second. That means 34 to 180 tons per hour. It can burn a wide variety of coals from high ranking bituminous to lignite coals. This is the diagram of spreader stroker. An advantage of spreader stroker is wide variety of coal can be burned. The clinkering problems can be reduced by spreading action. Clinkering means nothing but a cement balls. And another advantage is high temperature preheated air can be used. Good response to load fluctuations and low running cost. Disadvantages are it operates difficult. Fly ash is major problem. Fuel loss due to suspension and exhaust gas is the one of the disadvantages. Now come to the underfeed strokers. An underfeed stroker, the mechanism is the best situated for bituminous and semi-bituminous coals. Bituminous and semi-bituminous coals are here coals are depends upon the moisture where different types are used. So in this underfeed mechanism, the fuel is fed from underneath the fire and moves upward gradually. The fire moves upward gradually. The air entering through the grate openings comes in contact with raw fuels and mix with the volatile matter released from raw fuel and enters into the combustion chamber. The principle of underfeed stroker. In underfeed stroker, we have two types. One is single retard stroker, second one is multi retard stroker. In single retard stroker, it consists of a trough shaped retard to which the fuel is fed by a reciprocating ram or screw conveyor. The capacity of stroker ranges from 100 to 2000 kg of coal burned per hour. And come to the multi retard stroker. And this type of stroker used for to burn the more amount of fuel in the furnace. We are used in multi retard stroker. In multi retard stroker, it is having inward stroke of stroker ram that distributing the rams then slowly moves the entire coal bed down the length of the stroker. The primary air enters the fuel bed from main window box situated below the stroker. The air entering from the main window box into the extension grate wind box is regulated by an air damper. In multi retard stroker, it is having number of retards. It is vary from 2 to 20 with coal burning capacity is 300 to 2000 kg per hour. This is the diagram of multi retard stroker. Now discussed different types of stroker systems, and we are discuss briefly about different strokers in power plants. Thank you.